In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to darken the video background in CapCut. This technique is perfect when you want your subject to stand out more without complicated masking or color grading. We'll keep it simple and clean so you can follow along whether you're on desktop or mobile. First, open CapCut and create or open a project. If you already have a timeline set up, great. If not, start a new one and make sure your canvas or aspect ratio matches your final output, like 16:9 for YouTube. Keeping your project settings consistent from the start helps avoid cropping or quality loss later. Next, add your video to the timeline. You can drag and drop it into the track or use the import button and place it at the beginning. Give it a quick scrub to confirm it's the correct clip and that your subject is clearly visible for the parts you want to emphasize. Now, duplicate that video. Duplicating creates a second copy that we'll use to isolate the subject. You can right-click and choose Duplicate, or Copy and Paste. Make sure the duplicate sits directly above the original on the timeline. Layer order matters here. The top layer will contain your subject, and the bottom layer will serve as the background we're going to darken. With the duplicate selected, remove its background. In CapCut, look for the Cutout or Remove Background option. This will automatically detect the person or main subject and separate it from the background. It may take a moment to process. Once it's done, scrub through to ensure the edges look clean. If you notice any flickering or rough edges, try refining the cutout if the option is available, or simply adjust your subject framing to minimize any imperfections. Now click the original video on the timeline, the one underneath. This is your background layer. We're going to adjust only this clip, leaving the subject layer untouched. Go to Adjust, then find the Brightness control. Lower the brightness gradually until your background looks darker and more cinematic, while the subject on the upper layer remains bright and natural. A small reduction often goes a long way, so make changes bit by bit and preview as you go. Scrub through different parts of the clip to make sure the look stays consistent across motion and lighting changes. If the background becomes too muddy, ease off slightly for a balanced result. That's it. You've isolated your subject and darkened the background non-destructively. It's quick, clean, and easy to tweak later if you change your mind.